Hi, this is Lily Cotilla. Welcome to Live In 4D. Blue and orange personality types with respect to alcoholism and addiction. Currently, we treat alcoholics and addicts as one and the same, regardless of treatment modality and or therapeutic way of approaching the two diseases, if you will. Live In 4D examines addiction from a new psychological perspective, having to do with the underpinning rationale as to why an individual turns to drinking in the first place. And dependent upon the path or reason that addiction or alcoholism is caused by, the treatment therapeutically and or personally, individually, in which angle to take to work on the underpinning issues is very different. A blue personality, it is speculated anyway, would have a tendency to turn to drugs and alcohol to help assuage emotion, to help turn down the volume of intensity of feeling. Environmental variables that could contribute to onset, a breakup, rough situations at work, somebody looked at the person the wrong way, various external triggers that elicit emotional response, because people with higher oxytocin levels have a very intense emotional response to various things, and sometimes it's A, too much for others, and B, too much for the individual, him or herself. So therefore, the coping technique utilized is alcoholism or drugs to turn down the volume so the person doesn't feel so much. An orange personality type might have a tendency to turn to drugs and alcohol to help, like a social lubricant, to connect with others, to decrease shy personality, affect, to better be able to connect. Kind of under false pretenses, but it helps the social aspect that doesn't come so easily to orange personalities as the group setting and social aspects do to the blue personality. So Live In 4D believes that if the underpinning is understood from a personality and oxytocin angle, in terms of alcoholism and addiction, that very different approaches to treatment and recovery models can be utilized and various pieces of personality strengthened dependent upon which color type personality you are. Therefore, it's important to know before just going through the 12 steps or joining AAA or NA or STEP or whatever program people are a part of, the underpinnings, and then the treatment will operate accordingly.